Y'all say hey to the girls. Morning, girls.
Hello.
We got no sound. Let me fix it. What? Okay, hold on. What now? Okay.
Fire tablets about to speak. What? Fire tablets about to speak. Yes, I see. Hear the speak of fire tablet. Yeah, wrapped up in a blanket. Mom. That's puppy Roscoe. Fire tablet does not want to speak anymore.
I'm trying to make sure we have sound. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, there you are. I hear you now too. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna start the other camera. What,
I couldn't hear anything because I wasn't over the internet audio.
There's too many things going on at one time. We want the window.
It snowed a lot.
What?
No, like her mom got pictures of her in the snow. Beautiful snow.
Yeah. I made snowman, like actually good snowman.
Wow.
And they're right now sitting by the road with hats and scarves and twigs.
They have parents.
And then yesterday we went sledding down our hill.
Nice.
But it took forever to get back up. And Kathleen kept losing her boot on the way down.
Oh no.
Her boot just did not want to stay. And like there was this one time when we were sledding and she ran and she lost her boot while she was running. So I had to lug her, my sled, her sled, and me all the way back up the hill to get her boot.
That's crazy. All right. Get this so we all can see the room.
My dad and my mom sledded with us. And we raced.
Did your mother have fun?
Yeah, we all had fun. We raced against each other. Kathleen raced against me. I raced against my dad, and we all raced against each other.
Outstanding. Give me 1 second, girls, because there's a guy here who's fixing a window, and I'm gonna send my mom, see if she can help real quick, and then we'll start. The Bear Mountain guy. Is this window on the garage?
Where can we? Sorry, I couldn't find the midterm. Left. I think you're frozen.
All right, people. So we are going to divide ourselves into 2 teams today.
Miss Dane.
So, yes.
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 I'm a little confused because what happened last week is we left on like Wednesday to leave, and then I haven't like really finished all my lab work, and I forgot to do my midterm study test, but I don't know where to find it.
The study guide? Okay, so it's in the homework assignment. If you go on to
give you the
Jocelyn found it there. If you go into Teacher Ease, hey guys, Alex, Drew. If you go into Teacher Ease, you'll find it there.
There's the junior lab chemistry midterm study guide and the lab rats.
Yeah, so it's under lesson. What is it? Lesson 15?
16.
16. Yep.
So I have to go into Ease and do it.
Yeah, if you go into Teacher Ease to the weekly questions.
It's just a page listing you what you need to study. It's not like
it's
actual.
Hold that up, Jocelyn. Yep, it looks like that. There you go. And that's got all the things on it. But that's what we're doing today is we're just going to review. So if you have your binder or notes or whatever, you probably want to have it out. And then, so let's do this. Ella and Jules are still coming. Let's do this. You two girls, Alec, Drew, Alex, you guys got to quit. You're too noisy. Okay, you guys are a team. Okay. So Eleanor, Lily, and Cindy. And then Drew, Alec, and Jocelyn. And then we'll split. So we'll split. Jocelyn's right there. Wave, Jocelyn. Yeah, right there. No, right here. So.
Oh, dang it, I wanted to be the fire tablet.
No, I'm gonna give Sonia to these girls. So what we're gonna do is we are actually going to play Jeopardy.
I love Jeopardy.
Jeopardy should be fun. So we're gonna play Jeopardy. And then after we play Jeopardy, we've got, oops, that's the wrong one. We've got another couple of games we can try and play. So let me go open up our tab for our Jeopardy game. And I'm gonna leave you guys with the address for this game so that, whoops, I did not. So that you guys can do it on your own if you want. Yeah, that's a good way to start. No, there is a hot link. Why don't you go? Okay, it doesn't want to play with me here.
It doesn't want to follow the rules. It's rebelling. The internet's going to take over the world.
There we go.
Robots are going to take over. And the next thing you know, we'll be slaves to the electronics.
Yeah. All right, I'm way over here. So I'm gonna reduce this down to 2 teams. Yes.
When Thanksgiving came, my grandma said her turkey ran away.
Her turkey ran away.
And it was already dead and everything, and it ran away.
Oh my
and
goodness.
I already eat fast, so now I have proof that food can grow legs and walk away.
Oh goodness. All right, so Ella and Jules are here. Let's just put, we're gonna keep Ella and Jules on the seat. So because Jules is your auditing midterm, so you're fine. So we're gonna have Jules. So we're gonna play Jeopardy, Ella. So we're gonna play a game, like trivia review. So we have Jules, Eleanor, Ella, Lily, and Sonia on one team. And then we've got Jocelyn, Alec, and Drew on the other team. Huh? And Ozzy. All right. So
I ain't got a dog on her team.
All right. Okay. So we're gonna do this Jeopardy game, and hopefully this will be fun. All right. So what we're gonna do is
it's really fun.
Have you? That's cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start.
When my mom
All right,
taught science, we played Jeopardy to study things, and it was really fun. We like came up with crazy teams.
So we're gonna start with what's your team name gonna be, ladies? It's all the ladies.
Team Unicorn.
Okay, team.
Team Unicorn.
I don't want to be a team unicorn. What shall we be? I'm gonna actually
Wings of Fire.
Team Wings of Fire.
That's better than.
I'm gonna turn it Team Wings of Fire, and then I'm gonna turn this a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Team Jeopardy. Team
And all right, and Jocelyn and you two boys, what's your team name?
Team Academy. I said Team on the Light.
Team what?
Team on the Light.
No.
Team My Hero.
Team what?
Vodka.
No. Do you have an appropriate name for your team, Jocelyn? She's not correct.
Team Fireball.
Fireball. All right, so we have Fireball, and then what was it? Wings of Flight? Fire? Hero Academy. Okay, Hero Academy and Fireballs. So we're gonna start with Hero Academy, all right? And you guys are gonna get to, the way this works is you're gonna pick a category, and each one of you is gonna get a turn to vote. Okay, so we'll start with Lily, and we'll move down the line. And what we'll do is we're gonna give Lily, I'm gonna start a timer, and it's gonna be a 30-second timer. We're gonna give Lily 20 seconds, and then when I say team, your team may give you suggestions of what they think the answer is. Okay, it's going to be tricky for Jocelyn and Senya because if they yell out the answer, then the other team might hear it. So it's kind of tricky to play when you're half online. Yeah, you can use your notes. Okay, so we're going to start our game, and our categories are, Jules can play, sure. So watch as you go, it'll make sense. So your categories are Just the Basics, Discoveries, Let's Bond, and Big Ideas. We're going to start with Team 1, and that's you guys over there. That's the Hero Academy, right? You can actually write that in. So start thinking about where you want to head. Lily, you know where you want to go?
Just the basics, 100.
Just the Basics, 100. Okay, here we go. Your answer is, well, I have to, don't I? In the mnemonic device, King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. The words in the phrase represent this list of metric prefixes. You have 20 seconds on your own. It's okay. I'll tell you when your team can come in and help you. We got 12. All right, team. Anybody know? You can help her.
Wait, did we do it this year?
Yeah, we did. And your 30 seconds is up. So you guys should be able to give it a shot now. You know fireballs. What now? You have to say what is or who is. You have to start it as a question because it's Jeopardy. You would answer it wants this list of prefixes. So if you know the list.
Okay, what is kilo? We're not answering in order.
Yeah.
Kilo.
Yeah. But you guys have 30 seconds. Go.
20 seconds.
It was 22 your team can count. 30 in all. I love the unicorns on your knees, Jules. Those are cool. Ready, anybody? Getting somewhere. And okay, so nobody scores on the first one. The answer is what are kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, and milli. Anything you see in this
some of them.
review.
I remembered some of them. I just didn't know how to word it. And my brain
Anything you see in this review is likely to show up. So you may want to make a little note to yourself. All right. Team who's he what's it?
Hero Academy.
Fireballs. Fireballs. Senya, do you want to pick? No, I'm sorry. Jocelyn, do you want to pick?
No, not really.
Good, pick one.
Do 500. Over the throat.
She's looking, she's thinking.
They didn't make it so we can go big.
Do we know? I'll randomly pick for you. I'll close my eyes and tap.
No.
Okay. 5
Just
seconds to
500.
Which one? Just the
Just
basics?
the basics 500.
500. The answer is, in this state of matter, a substance has a definite shape, but no definite volume. And, all right.
7 things, and they have to do this.
What is that? They're all different. If you know it, go ahead and say it, Jocelyn.
I know it, but you said I had to put it in like a question.
Yeah, you have to put it in a question.
Ah!
Team?
What is
What is liquid? What is liquid? Ding, 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 ding. So there's a point for fireballs. Excellent
Yay!
job.
Thank you.
Yes, you could have said that.
Thank you for
Good enough.
saving me.
All right, so you guys get to pick. What's it gonna be? You want this category? Ella, it's your choice. Which one, Ella? 400, just the basics. Okay, Ella, your answer is a hypothesis is an idea that must be repeatable and that can be tested. Testing a hypothesis results in one of the two following dichotomous outcomes. Dichotomous means opposite. What are the two possible outcomes of a hypothesis? This is rigged. Wait a minute.
What is a hypothesis?
What is a hypothesis?
I don't know
Yeah, you do. Hang on, Drew. Wait a sec. She's on her. And Senya, if you know, you speak up. Okay, team. Nobody? 3 seconds.
Easiest one and they get 500.
Okay, tossed over to fireballs. Do you guys know?
I do.
Ah, you got it. What is
Maybe.
support? Did you know it too?
Maybe.
What is supported or unsupported? There we go. Excellent job. All right.
No, we have 500 already. This is the 400.
This is the 400. Did I click it wrong?
No, you put the minus.
Yeah, you're right. There it is. All right, here we go. You're right. You're right. All right, so now it's you guys. Fireballs. Pick a category.
Big ideas, 500.
Big ideas for 500. Your question is, or answer is, this is a measure of the amount of order within a system. Oh. Order within a system. Those over there.
I don't. What category was it?
Big ideas.
Big ideas. Mhm. And now it's tossed over to the other side. Do you know Hero Academy?
None of us know.
Ding, ding, ding. And you're almost out of time.
Who drew a
didn't.
question mark on the screen?
I don't know. I think Jocelyn did it or Senya did it. Okay.
I didn't do it. I don't know how to do that. Wait, what?
Answer is, what is entropy? Entropy. Beep, 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 beep. Where's my thing to clear that? Hang on. I can clear it. There it goes.
There's still a dot on the screen. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why is there a minus and a plus thing on there? Why is
Because you can play two ways. You can play if you get the answer wrong. If you get the answer wrong, question wrong, you lose the points from your total. Or you can, I'm just adding positive points instead of taking away. Yeah, because in Jeopardy you can have a negative score. Your turn, Hero Academy. What are you gonna pick?
Oh,
Come on, you can do it, Eleanor. No, we'll let Senya go. It's cool, unless you want to go. All right, what's it gonna be, Eleanor?
200?
Just the basics 200. Your question is, or answer is, these are the three main particles that make up atoms. You have 30 seconds, 20 before your turn. Wait.
No,
You have-
it's not.
Don't forget to answer in the form of a question.
which lesson was it?
When you're put on the spot, it's hard.
I knew this just a couple seconds ago.
It's always what happens when you're asked. Okay, team.
What is protons, neutrons?
Bingo! You
Yes.
got it. What are protons, neutrons, and electrons? That's excellent,
Yay!
you guys. On the board.
You got 2 powers. Good.
All right, fireballs. Where are we going?
500.
Discoveries for 500.
I didn't see that there was a 500.
The answer is credited with creating the first atomic theory. 3 of his 5 points are still accepted as true today. You have 30 seconds. You may use nodes. You have the answer and then answer. Ooh, that's wrong. That's right. He didn't answer in the form of a question. I'll give you the full 30 seconds for every team then. First modern atomic theory. Yeah, the first atomic theory. Okay, team. Yes, who is John Dalton? Very good. Nice job. Very nice. All right. Points for you. Okay. Now we're heading back over Hero Academy. What are we picking? Do you want to pick or do you want to skip? You can pick.
You won 7 of our points.
Oh, stop it.
7's a magic number.
You never mind. They might smoke you on the next one. You want to pick or do you want to skip and let Sonia pick?
500.
Which one? Oh yeah, let's bond. Let's bond for 500. Okay. In this type of reaction, binary compounds typically break down into 2 elements. All right.
Do I have to answer this?
If you can, you gotta have 20 seconds to think about it and then your team can help you. Senya, if you know, you'll be ready to help. All right, 13 seconds. We have a binary compound breaking down.
I have notes somewhere.
Team,
Does anybody know? I don't know. I'm trying to look and know.
anybody know?
Without.
And okay, passing over to fireballs. Do you know?
30 seconds only.
You have 30 seconds. Yep.
Okay.
If you know,
Aw.
everybody's flipping out. Pages are going.
The wheels in my brain are going at the speed of light.
Yep. That's good.
Ah.
22,
22 seconds left.
3, 2, 1.
I know.
And
What is?
what is a decomposition reaction? Ooh.
Oh! Oh!
Jocelyn's frustrated.
No, it's like I know what decomposition does because I learned that in 4th grade.
All right, Jocelyn, you want to pick? Go ahead and pick a category.
Ow.
What are you gonna pick?
Discovery's 400.
Discovery's 400. Here we go. Oh, it's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. What do we call that number? What do we call that number?
What number?
That number.
What? I never stumbled this.
What?
You've seen it. I know you've seen it.
Ah!
Wait, give me a second.
Wait.
No!
Team.
There are 2 different.
One number. That's one number. What do we call that number? It has a name.
Ah!
Okay, she's freaking out. Time. Do you know?
No! Ah!
You don't have to do math. It has a name. The number has a name. Nope, you're off already. It's back to them now. They're trying. Hero Academy's turn.
Ah!
It's the only number we have that has a name. We call it something. Pi. Pi has a name. You're right.
Why does science have to be so complicated?
I just
I
make a
don't
weird.
know.
Very different.
What did you say, Senya?
Can I make a weird guess?
Yeah, make a weird guess, Senya.
One.
Nope, it is what we call Avogadro's number. You remember hearing that now? No?
No! I don't remember you or the
If
book
there's a
ever
number on your-
mentioning that.
No, if there's a number on your test and it looks like that, we did it in some labs.
I'm going with avocado.
Avocado, yep,
Avocado.
you're good. All right, so you guys are up, Hero Academy. What are we picking?
Can I
There's nothing on the bottom anymore.
pick one?
Yeah, actually it's your turn. It is Senya's turn. Go for it.
Let's bond 400.
Let's bond 400. Are we ready? A substance which undergoes a change in a chemical reaction. All right, Senya, you got 20 to think on your own.
I know this.
Oh, good.
It's probably answered. I know what it is too.
It's what undergoes a change. She's thinking. Okay, team, is anybody on the team want to help her out?
I know what it is.
Hush, they're looking. All right, and we're passing it over to the other team. Does anybody over there know? Yeah, you may want to decide before you spit out your answer, but yeah. Reactant.
What is a reactant?
What is a reactant? That is
Yes!
the
Ow, I just hit myself in my own book.
What is
Danny.
a reactant? All right.
Danny.
Okay, so now we are
Danny.
moving on fireballs. Let's see, Alec, you pick.
Miss Danny, Senya's trying to talk to you.
What'd you
I
say,
said
Senya?
Trying to talk to you.
I said it, but I was muted.
Oh, okay. I believe you because you were muted. I saw you're mute. So you know what? I'm going to give them the points to, what was that, 400?
Yeah, she did it.
So wait, whoops. It should be at
But-
6. There you go. There you go.
Big idea is 400.
All right, so now, Alec, you pick.
Big idea is 400.
Oh, do you want to do that one, Alec? Big idea is 400? Okay, big idea is 400. Alec, Jocelyn, and Drew.
Okay.
The law states that the total mass of reactant
Oh, I know this, I think.
chemical reaction is always equal to the total mass of the product in a chemical
Nope.
reaction.
Never mind.
And Alex got 20 seconds on his own. Then you can help him, Jocelyn.
No, I thought I knew it, but when you finish reading it,
Okay, team.
Law of conservation math.
Yeah, law of conservation
Oh,
math.
what is the law of conservation of mass?
There you go. No, you didn't say what is.
It's the law of conservation math.
Oh, you didn't say
I did. I said, what is the law of conservation of mass? Yes! So I did know it. I thought it sounded like the law of conservation of mass, but then I'm like, no.
primary law of chemistry. Always know that one. All right, where are we going, ladies? What's it going to be, Hero Academy? They're so excited.
Come back. You just have to get every single one right.
I'm on. Lily, pick one. Did we lose Senya? Uh-oh. Oh, no, there she is. I see you.
I think you
No, they just switched places. It's you. You go.
just the basics 300.
Just the basics for 300. In an experiment, this variable is the one you change. Answer in the form of a question. You have 20 seconds on your own and more with your team. No, stop talking. It's not your turn. Hero Academy, time to figure down. This variable is the one you change. There's what you change. Okay, team.
I know.
Yes. The variable. Nope. Yep. Now it's your turn. Do you know? Nope. That's wrong. It's not the control. You're just guessing now.
Oh!
Can I say it?
Okay, I'm not going to give credit for that one. You're just running through them all. So the thing you change is the independent variable. It's independent of everything else. The dependent is what is changed, and the control is what you keep the same. Okay, fireballs. What are we picking? What are we picking? Big idea is 300. In an experiment, calorimetry is used to measure this. Okay.
How?
Jocelyn, Alec, and
What? Stupid.
you guys should be looking for it too in case they don't get it. You might be able to catch it and get points.
Cow.
Your team? That is incorrect. And we're moving to the other team. Wait, it's their turn now.
When did she answer? So what is volume?
Nope, you still got a
Can I
couple more seconds. Right? Yeah, do you know, Jocelyn? I mean, sorry, Senya?
What is the transfer of heat?
Yeah, yes, good job. Yeah, enthalpy, or you could, that's enthalpy is transfer. Good job. Good job. Ding, 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 ding. Nice. Nope, not temperature. Temperature and heat are not the same. All right, Senya, why don't you pick the next one? What's it going to be?
Let's bond 300.
Let's bond 300. Okay, here we go. This bond occurs when electrons shared by two atoms are held more closely by one atom. They're thinking. Hang on, stop. Don't say anything. It's not your turn. She's looking through her notes. They're looking through their notes. Team, anybody want to help Senya? Think about your types of bonds.
What is a covalent?
Covalent, yeah, that's part of it. What else did you say?
What is a covalent bond?
Wait, stop. It's Senya. I'm trying to listen to her. I know, but I'm trying to.
What is a covalent
Right,
bond?
right. But I'm trying to hear Senya, and y'all are talking over her. Say it again.
What is a covalent bond in the bonding of electrons?
You're really close. It's actually going to be, it's a specific polar covalent. It's polar because it's more, the atoms are more closely held. The electrons are more closely held by one.
We both answered kind of the exact same.
I'm trying to say it, but I
Now
keep
you
on
have
saying
to say what?
I'm trying to say it, but I'm saying it in the wrong words.
Yeah, I know. You're super close.
And she didn't say polar.
No, she didn't say polar. Nobody said polar. Covalent, y'all got, but you have to know the polar and non-polar covalent. Because remember, your big bonds are your ionic, and then your covalent, and your covalent are polar and non-polar. It is your turn, Fireballs. Wait a minute, does Jocelyn want to pick?
Yeah, let's do Discoveries 3.
Wait a minute, does Jocelyn want to pick? They want to do Discoveries 300. Is that cool with you?
Yeah, I was gonna
All right,
say that
here
if
we
I
go.
chose anyway.
Color change, formation of a precipitate, production of an odor, evolution of a gas, production of light, change in temperature, production of a sound may indicate this.
Chemical change. What is a chemical change?
What is a chemical change? Yes, you've got it. Good job. You guys are picking, like, all the right questions. That's why they're getting the easier ones just by default. All right, you guys, you can do it. What's it going to be? Ella, what do you think? Discoveries 200. Okay, he is credited with having created the first modern periodic table. You got it. Come on, Ella.
You did
Mendeleev, very good. She's got it. It's Dmitry Mendeleev. Nah, it's fine. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Very good. All right. Well, if you ever watch Jeopardy, they accept last names unless there's like if you were talking about the three dynastic communist leaders of Korea, North Korea, you couldn't say Kim. You'd have to say Jong-il, Jong-un, Soon-jong, or whatever his name was. Yeah, you'd have to be specific because they all have the same last name. Okay. All right, Fireballs. What's it going to be?
How about big idea is 200?
Big idea is 200. And the question is, the answer is, Avogadro's number is equal to the number of units of a substance in one of these. Ooh. Start looking at it. Yep. I'll give you the full 30 seconds.
Maybe if I hit myself hard enough with my science book, I'll just get the answer.
That's possible.
Keep hitting myself with my science book until I get the answer.
Anybody on this team helping out?
I'm trying. I don't know. There's too much book that we already read to get this.
Okay, now we have tossed it to the other team. Okay, Hero Academy. Nope. Have you ever seen Monty Python and the Quest for the Holy Grail? That's totally what that was. Ella, yes. Yes! What are moles? Ella got it. What is a mole? So you guys get the points. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, look at this. They're doing great. All right. Coming down to the end of the line. What's it going to be, you guys? Eleanor, you going to pick? You want to pick?
Let's bond 200.
Let's bond 200. Here we are. A bond in which two atoms share electrons. Oh, I think you guys may know this. All right.
Ah.
Stop talking. It is not your team's turn. You're going to end up giving another team an answer at some point. Shared. Shared electrons. 3 seconds. Okay, you can help. Team.
I know.
Nope, not that one. Senya, do you know?
What is a covalent bond? Mechanical bond?
Yes. Senya got it. What is a covalent bond? Yes, she did. Huh? They're allowed to answer wrong. I gave you guys a full 30 seconds every time. All right, she got it. Very good. Covalent. And remember, there's covalent, and then those are either polar or non-polar, but those are shared. The ones where they're not shared, where it's stealing or taking, those are ionic, right? Good deal. So there's your answer. It doesn't matter. It's not about winning. You're up. You're up, Fireballs. What's it going to be? Let's bond 100. Okay, ladies, you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay, these compounds have a crystal lattice structure. Oh, yes, Drew got it right away. What is an ionic compound? Yes, there we go. Very good. All right. So now we're going to move on to the last two. Which one is it going to be, ladies? It's actually Senya. You want to pick Senya?
Big ideas 100.
Big ideas. All right. This branch of chemistry deals with quantities in reactions, sort of like a recipe deals with quantities of ingredients in a dish. What's the one that deals with quantity? No, do we know? Ooh, my timer. Quantities.
Let's go to the next answer.
Okay, team. Anybody on the team want to help? Got about 8 seconds. Senya, you're muted if you're trying to talk.
Wait, so I have to answer 5 of them?
Say it one more time. What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
I know like the 5 main ones.
Okay. All right. So our answer is what is? Oh, sorry. Well, I'm just going to show it because we've only got 4 more minutes. Well, we'll just, doesn't matter. Stoichiometry. I just want to make sure we get the answer because we have one more question and I want to have time for it because we have 3 minutes. Here it is. Okay. An atom with a different number of neutrons.
So
What?
I read this looking for an answer and then I closed my book.
Oh, no. Different number of neutrons. You girls know, but you know.
Can I find the page?
And we pass to the other team. What is an isotope? Nice job.
I just found found it. I got to the page and I read it, and then you switched it to the other D. We read too much out of this book. Takes forever.
So you guys did a good job. All right, so everybody listen up for a minute. Drew. Okay, so here's the deal. Lily. Drew. All right, so listen, we are going to wrap up the review and head to lab. You ladies have your lab at home. Now, I found other pipettes that might have worked better than the ones I sent with you, so do your best, and if you have trouble with it, I found some ones that were longer. I will be sending this link out in this week's email so you can practice this link as much as possible. I would recommend it. Go over everything on your review, have make notes, have a parent do it with you, do whatever you need to do to study. Next week, when you all come in, you will pick up a paper packet from me, take a seat, and knock the test out. Don't forget that if you're here, physically here, we have the movie afterwards, so bring whatever your designated snack is to share. It's in your binder. Okay. If you're, if you're not, you're welcome to come. I don't imagine Jocelyn's gonna hop on a plane. Hold on.
I'll hop on a plane this Sunday to get there in time.
You're welcome to travel out if you want to. Otherwise, I will be putting finals on. I was sending them emails to your parents to give you and turn back in at whatever time they want. Okay? You guys did really good. I'm proud of you all. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.